So I just spent 5 days with the GOAT, Myron Golden. I was doing his Make More Offers challenge. And man, oh man, I was blown away with what I learned from him over the past 5 days. So if you're an entrepreneur and you're seriously serious about taking your business to the next level, you definitely need to watch the video, because in this video, I'm going to be sharing some of the things that I learned. So you definitely want to watch until the end. And also, if you want to learn more about the Make More Offers challenge, the link is in the description. So be sure to check out the link. In the course of 5 days, Myron Golden revealed to me 4 business secrets that can make your business grow exponentially from a revenue perspective. So here's a quick snapshot of how the 5 days are broken down. On day 1, he covers offer science. Day 2, offer strategies. Day 3, offer scripts. Day 4, systematization. And then day 5, he covers offer success stacking. So what I want to do in this video is I just want to cover the 3 biggest lessons that I learned from being part of the Make More Offers challenge by Myron Golden. So number 1 is you need to create an irresistible offer. Like many times, entrepreneurs don't really spend a lot of time crafting an offer that's irresistible, right? Where when someone just hears the offer, though, it's like a no-brainer, right? I used to think my offers were pretty good, but when Myron kind of like broke it down and showed me like how he does his offers, I realized that there's a whole new level to this. And I started understanding the psychology behind what makes people say yes. Because for us, we have really good traffic coming to one of our websites, and our conversion rate is okay-ish. But if we were to create an irresistible offer, I'm pretty sure that our conversion rate is going to go through the roof, which will also then ultimately drive the overall growth of our business. Now, the key though, when it comes to learning how to create an irresistible offer, is you want to make sure you're incorporating value stacking, right? What is value stacking? Well, value stacking is when you break down an offer into its parts, right? And you assign a value to each part, come up with the total to say like, well, this is the total for this offer, but you're not going to pay the price. You're going to pay this price. So because psychologically someone has now assigned what you're offering at a higher value, but you're actually then giving it to them at a discounted price, it becomes an irresistible offer for them, because now they really understand that, okay, this is the value that I'm getting, but this is the price that I'm paying. If you remember earlier, I mentioned day 4 was when he was talking about systems. Now, I like to define systems as save yourself time, energy, and money. And if you're a business owner and you don't really have systems in place, it's going to be very, very hard for you to scale your business. So in day 4, he really starts breaking down how to create systems for your offers. And there are 4 main offers you need to focus on as a business owner. The first offer you need to focus on is your lead generation offer. This is important because you need to be driving leads into your business in order for you to have the audience that you can actually sell to. The second one is your core product offer. So once you bring the leads in, what is that first thing that you're going to sell to them, right? It's super important for you to be able to have a core product that's, you're known for. And then once you go from there, you want to then have a premium value offer, also known as a high ticket offer, because then that enables your customers to actually now get more value from you, because with a high ticket offer, you're able to serve them at the highest level. And then the last one is you want to have some sort of continuity offer in place, right? Where you build a community and you're continuously having a relationship with the customer, because it will help increase your consumer lifetime value. And if you then take these steps to implement these systems, your business will skyrocket. Because we actually did the math in the program, and if you implement some of these tweaks, and not even like at 100%, right? And like you can easily see your revenue grow over 1,000% in a very short period of time. If you're ready to really transform your business and learn from one of the best people in the industry, I highly recommend you join Myron Golden's Make More Offers Challenge. And there are two ways you can sign up. Way number one, which is probably one that I would recommend not doing, is you could sign up using the general admission route. It's like $97. You watch the content on a Facebook group. You're not able to really ask questions or interact. But if you're really serious about growing your business, I would really recommend you sign up as a VIP. And the VIP ticket, when I signed up, it was $297. You're able to, get more value, right? You get to ask questions. You're in a private Zoom, and he has an extra hour that he spends with you. So there's really more you get out of it. You will see that the investment that you'll put in is totally worth it. And you're probably going to get 10x, if not 100x more from that VIP experience than if you just sign up as general admission. So like I said, he does the challenge every single month. So you definitely want to click the link in the description below and make sure that you sign up for the next Make More Offers Challenge. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.